This is a Mediterranean smoked salmon salad. Yes, the salad is hidden under the salmon. I used to make this dish in an Italian restaurant in London, and it was one of the most popular antipasti we used to serve. It brings beautiful memories back. I want you to enjoy this dish as served to thousands of people, and I also serve to my family. Let's make it together. To make this signature smoked salmon salad, we need the smoked salmon. Use as much as you want according to how many people you have. I would say at least 100 grams per person. About 8 black olives per person. So in this case I'm using 16 because I'm making this for 2 people. Half cucumber that you want to cut like this. About a tablespoon of capers. About 120 grams of baby spinach and rocket salad. Some dill that you want to chop up. 1 nice lemon. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt and pepper. There is not much to prepare. What we do is we need a few slices of lemon for the final presentation. And here we have it. We have 3 slices for each plate. We get a glass, just like this. We're going to put extra virgin olive oil. And we want to be generous, okay? We want to put about 6 to 7 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil. Now in the extra virgin olive oil, we're going to squeeze the lemon. Get a teaspoon and mix. See what you get? There's beautiful juice, extra virgin olive oil that smells like lemon. It's beautiful, powerful. Look how nice it is. So it's 8 olives per person. So half has to be chopped and half will be served in the salad, okay? So what we do, because I've got this for 2 people, I'm gonna chop up 8 olives. They're very small. Small. Make it as small as you can, okay? I know you can buy them already cut, but I trust to buy the whole olive and do it myself. I haven't done this for about 10 years, but in restaurants, it was 20 years ago. I used to make this every single day at the restaurant. I actually made this for the original Superman. He used to come to the restaurant I used to work, used to come every day, almost every day, and I made this for him. That's a good memory. Beautiful. Okay, so now that we have this is gonna be the final touch for our salad. The other olives instead can be just bit chopped, just like that. You wanna bite them when you eat them, okay? Just cut them in half. Just quick, perfect. So this is what goes inside the salad, and this is what goes on top of the salad. It's time to rock and roll. Let's make the salad. First thing we wanna do to put extra virgin olive oil in the salad. And just be generous with extra virgin olive oil, please. Lovely. Let's put the olives inside. Now we put the capers. The capers will be a nice surprise when you eat this salad. Now we add the cucumbers. Cucumbers was my idea. A little pinch of dill, not too much. Some salt. Some pepper if you want. Now we mix with our hands. Now, you can add white wine vinegar, but sorry, vinegar, up to you. I believe the vinegar is gonna kind of fight with the salmon and the lemon, so don't do it, but it's your salad, do whatever you want. What you want to try and achieve now, we need to create a mountain. When I say a mountain, you actually want to squash this. I know it. That's what you have to do in the restaurant presentation. You actually squash this a little bit, and you build a mountain there, okay? You can use any accessories that you want to do this, but I think the hands are the best utensil you can use. You want to create a mountain because we're gonna build now a salmon mountain, okay? You put the ingredients, make sure the capers are there, make sure the olives are there. Now it's time to present this. So what we do with the salmon is we are going to put the salmon just like that, gently on top. And I'm gonna start from there, and then I'm gonna use this side. Try to cover the grain, okay? You don't wanna see the grain. There we go, like that. Again, and here again I'm gonna use this side. Let's cover the grain. Again, let's cover the grain. When you're in a restaurant, this is done very quickly. Really running out of time. So let's make this a little more prettier. Here we go, we'll double. Now this will go on top. That's the portion for one person, okay? The final touch is this. We get the oil that we prepared earlier, the lemon, put a little bit on, a little bit now. You want to squeeze the lemon on the salmon. Beautiful. What we're going to do now is to put the olives on top. A little touch of dill. Dill goes very well with the salmon. I think dill and salmon are the perfect match. Now let's go back to the oil mixed with the lemon. Now we add more on the olives. Then we try and go down each way, like that. Lots of flavors, guys, lots of flavors in this dish. Final touch is to put the lemon on the side. I'm actually gonna use two. Looks better with two. And here it is, your Mediterranean smoked salmon salad. These lemons are here just for presentations, okay? But what we want to taste is this. Get the salmon. This should be tasting like salmon, of course. Dill, a little of lemon, and extra virgin olive oil. The lemon really blends all these beautiful flavors together and makes the salmon more refreshing. The lemon, the cucumber, the capers, the olives, it's what makes this dish Mediterranean. So what we want to do now, let's put some olives down, spread olives everywhere, just like that. Now we cut it, and see, we have the surprise. The salad is there waiting for us. The salad is waiting. The cucumbers, the olives, the capers, all there. All day waiting for you. It brings back beautiful memories. The presentation of this dish, I think, is fantastic. It's something that everybody will love. The capers, I think, plays a very important role here. Not too much, just a little bit. The lemon is probably the most important ingredient here to make everything refreshing and blend everything together. The dill and smoked salmon, they must go together. They love each other so much. The chopped olives is beautiful. That beautiful extra virgin olive oil and lemon juice mixed together really takes the dish to the next level. Small details make a huge impact. This is how you make a smoked salmon like an Italian.